Hey there, I'm Dale with Pacific Sun Technologies, and today I want to know if you want to save money on your home energy bills. If so, keep watching to consider these smart, affordable home upgrades. Before you jump into any home renovation, do a home energy audit and check your home energy score. Not all recommendations are necessary for everyone, so the U.S. Department of Energy recommends assessing your home's existing structure, heating, cooling, and hot water systems. And if you find these upgrades a bit too pricey, the DOE also suggests looking into your state's financing, incentives, and assistance programs. There's also private financing options that can help foot the bill. Let's start in the kitchen, where appliances suck up the most energy. The best time to run, say, a dishwasher is just before you leave for work or during the day. The same goes for appliances elsewhere in the home, such as a clothes dryer. That's when fewer people use these appliances, so it's helping the grid work more efficiently, and that's at no cost change in habit that benefits everyone. But if you want an upgrade, most major companies offer so-called smart kitchen appliances. For example, GE's Wi-Fi Connect Smart Fridge sends alerts to your phone if the temperature is too high, if it needs maintenance, if the door was left open, and most importantly, when it's time to heat the water for your morning cup of coffee. GE's Smart Dishwasher monitors cycles and notifies users of leaks. Whirlpool and Kenmar offer similar products with similar capabilities. These appliances can cost as much as $3,500, but can save you a substantial amount of money. If you want to save energy on a budget, look for appliances certified by the EPA's Energy Star program. Next up, bathrooms. The standard toilet uses 1.6 gallons of water per flush. That's an improvement from the 7 gallons per flush in homes built before 1987. Installing a high-efficiency toilet is a simple, money-saving solution. These toilets range from about $200 to $500. In a single-person household, you could save about 590 gallons of water a year, and that's according to the EPA's WaterSense calculator. Some toilets have a dual flush option that reduces the water usage to 0.6 gallons. Other, more expensive smart toilets add heated seats, water spreaders, and foot warmers. What about your living spaces? Well, smart thermostats such as the Nest or Ecobee can easily be retrofitted into these spaces and allow for total remote control. They connect to your existing HVAC system, but you can control them from your smartphone or smart assistant such as Google Home or Amazon Alexa. You can set presets for times and days when you're at work or on vacation. These smart thermostats also learn some of your behaviors and adjust accordingly. Smart thermostats range from $150 to $250, but can save you a substantial amount of money every year. Smart shades respond to changes in lighting conditions to save energy. For example, Serena shades adjust the shades as sunlight and room temperature varies by day and by season. The company claims that these shades can save up to 10 to 30% on heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Some companies are now developing smart windows, which will automatically open and close to let in fresh air or tint and clear to adjust for hot and cold days. And finally, whole home upgrades. If you want to know how much energy your TV, computer, or microwave consumes, use an electricity monitor such as the Kilowatt. The link is provided below. For under $20, you plug your gadget into this device and then into an outlet. Its LCD screen then informs you of your energy usage So if, for example, a kilowatt discovers that your toaster is consuming energy when plugged in and not in use, it might be a good idea to keep it unplugged. Similarly, the fluid smart meter clamps onto a water pipe to send real-time water usage information right to your smartphone. At $260, it keeps tabs on excess water use and leaky or burst pipes. And if you worry about forgetting to turn off the lights, the Philips Hue Starter Kit connects to your router and allows you to control your lights anywhere in the world. According to the Department of Energy, the kit uses LED light bulbs, which on average use 75% less energy and last 25 times longer than incandescent bulbs. Well, that's it for this week's video. For more tips about energy saving home improvements, check out our YouTube channel or visit our blog on our website. And if you're interested in having an energy audit performed on your home, contact us online or by phone. Links provided in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the information helpful in your pursuit to save money. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips on energy saving improvements.